Hey everybody, Chef Anthony once again here at the Shervin Family Live Well Center with a surprise guest, my daughter, Rafaela. Ella, how you doing?
Great.
Yeah? Why don't you tell them what we're going to make today?
Today we're making a hummus wreath. Today, since it's the holiday season.
Of course, a holiday hummus wreath. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's take a walk to that kitchen. Let's go. Okay, Ella, so what is the main ingredient in hummus?
Chickpeas.
Yes, chickpeas. And what's Daddy's favorite ingredient out of all of them that goes in hummus?
Garlic.
Yes, because you can't have too much garlic when it comes down to hummus. It's my favorite. Isn't hummus delicious?
Yes.
All right, so let's take a look at our ingredients before we get started. Okay, so what do we got here?
We got chopped parsley,
Chopped parsley,
baby tomatoes,
Baby
and
tomatoes.
some chickpeas.
some chickpeas, but we're forgetting also our feta cheese, aquafaba. You know what aquafaba is? Aquafaba is
Lemon
no, it's not lemon juice. It's the liquid that's inside the can with the chickpeas. So besides the aquafaba, we have olive oil, my favorite, chopped garlic, we have lemon juice, and we have some tahini. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's rock. Okay, so let's start.
Wait, Daddy, I want to say.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let's put the tahini and the lemon juice in first. Then we're going to blend it for 1 minute.
And after that blends for 1 minute and starts to look creamy, we add what?
The olive oil and the garlic.
Yep, olive oil and garlic in.
Blend that for 10 seconds, and then we're going to add half of our chickpeas in.
That's right. You only go in with the first half first, and you let that blend for about 30 seconds, and then you start to go in with the second half. You don't really want to pack it all in there at once.
All right, so now it's all in there.
Yup, it is. And now we just let that processor just go, and do its work. Okay, so before we finish, here's the last thing. Your hummus is going to be too thick, so this is where the aquafaba comes in. You're going to be adding it slowly and blending it until you reach a consistency that you like.
Okay, I think we got it.
There we go. Wrong way. Look at that. Pass that whole spatula in there to show them how creamy. Look at the consistency there. Isn't that beautiful? All right, now we got to get it out of there, and let's get ready to make that wreath, right?
Right.
Let's do it. Okay, let's get all that hummus on that plate, and you can use a bowl in the middle as a guide.
Now we're going to get all that hummus on the plate and on Daddy's nose.
No, not Daddy's nose.
I'm just kidding. Now it's the fun part. Now we get to decorate it. Let's go.
Okay, so what are we going to decorate it with?
We're going to decorate it with some parsley, some
Feta cheese.
feta cheese, and some baby tomatoes.
That's right. And after that, we're going to get a little creative and make a real beautiful cucumber bow.
That was my favorite part.
Wasn't that cool?
Awesome.
All right, so we finish it with one more little baby tomato, and let's see what we got.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
At this rate, she's going to end up taking my job. There you have it, folks. A beautiful holiday hummus wreath. Doesn't that look nice?
Awesome, and it looks beautiful.
Yes, it does.
And all of the stuff is healthy, right on this plate.
You got it. Every single ingredient in there. Why don't you comment down below and let us know what you would put on a holiday hummus wreath like this?
Make sure to like,